Hello everybody, this is Patty. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching and making comments. I am going to give you a tour of my refrigerator hack. And here it is. I have cleaned and kind of organized some things here, and this is what I have. And on this shelf, I have leftovers, and sometimes I put leftovers here as well. And this is what I have. These are some of the things that I have prepped. And let me give you a look in the produce bin. And I have this little container here that I keep some things in. And this is the other side. I have some different things in here that I keep in the fridge. And as you can see there. And then I have this compartment. And I have my eggs, cheese, and, well, cheeses, and my butter. And I have some lemons, and I have a lemon here. It may look like it's going bad, but I'm going to freeze it so that I can put it in my garbage disposal to freshen it up. And let me show you what I have down here. This is the freezer part right here. And this is another part to the freezer, and you can see the different things that I have in here: okra, potatoes, fish sticks, and right here I have chicken that I have separated and wrapped in parchment paper and then foil. And down here I have some, this is ground meat that I have separated, hamburger meat if you will. And I have sausage here and some Bob Evans little meals. And I have chicken here and more chicken. And let me see, I have some vegetables here for soups and what have you. And I have a little quick meal here: rice, cauliflower, savory herb. And okay, let me close this up. And let's see, I have so much stuff in here. Okay, and this is what I have on one side of the door, and this is what is on the other side of the door, as you can see here. Now I have some stuff in another freezer that I'll show you at another time, and another fridge. But this is my hack. I've cleaned it up and organized some things here so I can readily get to them. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, giving a thumbs up, ringing the notification bell, making comments, asking questions. I appreciate you all. Thanks to all of my subscribers. I am so grateful to all of you. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.